नमस्कार। आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। कविता का शीर्षक है जानवर। इस कविता के कवयित्री है आशा मिश्रा मैम। यह कविता उनकी स्वरचित है और मैं यानी दर्शन पटेल कक्षा 7वीं का विद्यार्थी इसका पठन करने जा रहा हूँ। इस कविता के माध्यम से कवयित्री ने मनुष्य के बदलते हुए रूप को जानवर के नजरिए से दर्शाया है। तो ध्यान से सुनिएगा। दे दी जंगल के महाराज ने यह आदेश, जानवर सभी चले शहर, बदल अपना अपना वेश। अरे ये शहर तो जंगल से भी बड़ा जंगल है, मनुष्य खुद जानवर बनकर कर रहा अपना मंगल है। मैंने सोचा था सभी को अपने आकार से डराऊंगा, नहीं मैं किसी अमीर गरीब इंसान से घबराऊंगा। मैं सोच में उलझ गया, क्यों है मैंने वेश बदला, जानवर को अंदर छिपाए खुद मनुष्य है बदला। यहाँ हर कदम पर गिदड़ भेड़िए जैसे मनुष्य मिले, आदमी की क्रूरता कठोरता दरिद्रगी देख सभी जानवर हैं डरे। पेड़ों को काट कर कर दिया पंछियों को बेघर, नदी और समंदर सिकुड़ गए इंसान से डरकर। मैं जान बचा आया अपनी महाराज को बताने शहरों का राज, लगाई गुहार बचाओ बचाओ जंगल और जानवरों को महाराज। सभी वन प्राणी सुनकर संदेश मेरा, जान गए जल्द जाएगा उनका भी बसेरा। आज भी सोचता हूँ मैं कौन है इस धरा पर जानवर, मैं या वे। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, myself Subalakshmi Sahu. I am from class 8, section F, roll number 40. As you can see in the screen, today's topic is all about wildlife conservation. So let us see what is wildlife. Wildlife refers to living organisms, flora and fauna in their natural habitats. According to Wildlife Protection Act 1972, wildlife includes any animal, bees, fish, moth and aquatic or land vegetation which form a part of any habitat. Importance of wildlife. There are many importance of wildlife. Some of them are: 1. Ecological importance. Wildlife helps in maintaining the balance of nature. 2. Economic importance. Wild plant products like food, medicine, timber, fibers, etc. and the wild animal products such as meat, medicines, hide, ivory, lac, silk, etc. are some of tremendous economic value. 3. Investigatory importance. Some wild organisms are used for scientific experiments such as to test effect of medicine. Generally, monkey, chimpanzees, etc. are used for scientific experiments. 4. Recreation. A visit to the parks and sanctuaries is an enjoyable proposition for children as well as adults. Thus, wildlife is best means of recreation. 5th. Cultural importance. The wildlife of India has rooted effects on religion, art, sculpture and literature. Many mythological stories and children's stories are based on wildlife. 6th. Importance in agriculture. Wild organisms are very important for modern agriculture, such as production of new hybrid variety using plants and animals. So now let us see threats to wildlife. Threats to wildlife are illegal wildlife trade, habitat destruction, deforestation, invasive species, pollution, and climate change. Now, effects of wildlife depletion: unbalanced food chain, extinction of species, loss of economic value, danger to human life, and loss in genetic information. There are many ways in which we can save our wildlife. Some of them are: 1. Habitat management. This indicates ecological studies of habits and habitats of wildlife species, protection, preservation, and improvement of habitats, sensors and statistical data regarding species to be conserved. 2. Establishment of protected area. Establishment of national parks, wildlife reserves, sanctuaries, zoological garden, etc. 3. Rehabilitation of endangered species. Under this objective, it is proposed to rehabilitate some threatened species of animals as well as plants in some protected habitats of its erstwhile distribution. 4th, captive breeding program. It has been proposed to take up captive breeding program for species whose survival in wild is severely threatened on account of impaired natural breeding. 5th, mass education. For any conservation program, there is a great need of educating people to achieve their participation. At last but not the least, promulgation of laws. Wildlife Protection Act 1972. A comprehensive central legislative measure called Wildlife Protection Act was enacted in 1972 for providing special legal protection to wildlife in general and to endangered species of fauna in particular. It has a provision for setting up of national parks and sanctuaries where wildlife can receive the fullest protection.